Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you a shelf cover that I made. My husband wanted me to make it. He's got like a metal shelf on wheels in the hallway. It's a little bit noticeable from the living room, but I took and bought me a piece of material. I'll show you. It's got, from Joann Fabric, it's cotton. It's got little license plates all on it. And I took and made two pieces of elastic up the top, hung it from that, put a little hem at the bottom. It turned out really cute. Oh, by the way, I'll show you the chair that I just redid. I took and painted it, and it opens up, put stuff inside of it. But I re-cushioned it, took it apart and re-cushioned it, and put some material on the seat that I got from Joann Fabric. And I'll show you the fabric that I got. I got some, they had a sale on a couple days ago, $2.99 per yard. So I actually got a yard of with the octopuses on it. Figured I'd make some little kids' mask or something like that. Then I got some tan cheetah print material. I like this really fine. It's real pretty, the collars in it. So I got that. Then I got some with the United States on it. Shape of the United States. And I got this material. It's got all the states on it. It's really cute too. And it's like denim look, but it's got stars on it. But it's cotton. Thought this was really cute. Maybe make a pair of pajama bottoms or something out of it. I'm not quite sure. Then I got some couple yards of the material with the deer on it. I'll probably end up making a couple pillowcases or something. And this is really pretty. I had to get this with the turn back around with the butterflies. So I love it. So I got lots of projects coming up. But if you like my videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, take care.